My name is Natasha. Today I discussed about multiple questions of thermodynamics and kinetic stability. First one, why is controlled oxidation is needed is loss of product. In which phase of oxidation high molecular weight then is paper. Extent of oxidation can be controlled by temperature control. Vapor phase oxidation can be readily effective to which type of compound is volatile. Control in oxidation can be done by both temperature and time. Is oxidation of low molecular weight paraffin hydrocarbons under high pressure possible? Yeah. Non-catalytic oxidation of aromatic hydrocarbons is slow at which temperature? It's below 500. Removal of energy during reaction leads to what? Limit of reaction. Catalysts are also used to direct the reaction towards desired products. It's true. What is an equilibrium state? Extent of reaction. What is the driving force in a reaction is free energy. What should be the free energy? So what reaction is spontaneous negative? What does hydrolysis of alkyl chloride produce alcohol? Which type of reaction is hydrolysis of alkyl chloride endothermic? Hydrolysis of ethyl acetate is an irreversible reaction. It's true. What is the heat of reaction for hydrolysis of ethyl acetate is 0. Which type of reaction is invention of sucrose is reversible? The speed of reaction is not important in attaining equilibrium. It's false. What is meant by Z in Arrhenius frequency of collision? What is transition state theory? To free energy and activated complex both. Hydrolysis of ester is catalyzed by what? Hydroxyline. Hydrolysis of alkyl halide is possible in which type of mechanism? Unimolecular and bimolecular in both. The unit of temperature in SI unit is Kelvin. Two values of specific heat. The same volume of all gases would represent their gas characteristic constants. General gas equation is PV is equal to mRT. Temperature of a gas is produced due to kinetic energy of molecule. When the rate of reaction is equal to rate constant, the order of reaction becomes zero order reaction. Time required for 100% completion of reaction for zero order is A or K. Specific heat of air at constant pressure is equal to 1.0. A catalyst alter which of the following in a chemical reaction is activation energy? No liquids can exist as liquid at center of earth. The SI unit of energy is joule. Kinetic energy of the molecule in terms of absolute temperature is proportional to T. Superheated vapor behaves approximately as gas. The rate constant of zero order reaction has the unit mole per second, mole per liter per second. Characteristic gas constant of a gas is equal to Cp/Cv. The behavior of a gas can be fully determined by formula. SI unit of power is watt. For control in oxidation can be done by both temperature and pressure. When the rate of reaction is equal to rate of constant of reaction, it becomes zero order reaction. Which type of reaction is hydrolysis of alkyl chloride is endothermic? Which type of reaction is invention of sucrose is reversible? Temperature of a gas is produced due to kinetic energy of molecule. Removal of energy during reaction leads to limit of reaction. Hydrolysis of ester is catalyzed by what is hydroxyline? What is meant by Z in Arrhenius frequency of collision? Vapor phase oxidation can be readily effective to which type of compound is